In this video, I'm going to explain how to link Apple Card to Credit Karma. So, first of all, we have to talk about this because as of right now, you cannot actually connect your Apple Card to Credit Karma to view individual transactions. And this could change in the future, but there's no guarantee it will. So if you're watching this video sometime in the future, this may already be available, so make sure you just Google it and search up whether Apple Card can be integrated with Credit Karma. If there are some updates, there will definitely be some tutorials. However, right now this isn't possible because Apple has only granted Mint exclusive access to Apple Card transactions due to the way Mint retrieves financial data, so no other budgeting apps currently integrate with Apple Card in real time. Now, some budgeting apps allow you to manually upload CSV files of your Apple Card statements, but they do not support automatic transaction syncing like other credit cards. Now, since Intuit owns both Mint and Credit Karma, so Intuit is essentially the a company behind Credit Karma and Mint, there's speculation that Credit Karma might introduce Apple Card integration in the future. However, Intuit has stated that some services will not be available, which many assume refers to Apple Card, as well as some other things regarding that. So for now, we'll just have to wait and see if Apple eventually opens up its system to more budgeting apps, but at this current moment in time, it's unfortunately not possible to link Apple Card to Credit Karma. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.